Welcome back to Oops. I built it. Today I built an electronic kill switch for a car using high-power MOSFETs. No more bulky mechanical switches, sparks, or awkward reach under the hood. Just pure, silent, electronic cutoff power. Let's see if this idea is genius or about to catch fire. So why even build an electronic battery disconnect switch, also known as a kill switch? It completely cuts the car off from the battery, which is super useful for preventing battery drain, doing safe repairs, avoiding electrical fires, or even stopping thieves. Most people use mechanical switches. They're cheap and they work, but they spark when disconnecting under load. The contacts wear out, they're slow, and usually mounted in the most annoying place possible. So I used power MOSFETs and built a solid-state version. No sparks, instant reaction, almost zero voltage drop, and I can trigger it with just a tiny button inside the car, or even connect it to a security system. Basically, I turned the main battery line into an electronic gatekeeper. In this video, I'll show how I built it, test if it can handle real car current, and compare it with a classic mechanical switch. Let's find out if this is a smart upgrade, or if I just built a very complicated way to disconnect nothing at all. If this device catches fire, remember, it's not a failure. It's just a feature I didn't publicly announce yet.